Hello friends, and today I will show you how to make 2 smoothies from papaya and 1 milkshake from papaya. Papaya is a delicious fruit for digestive system. Once Christopher Columbus noticed that natives would eat any meat, any fish and don't get ill simply because with food they used piece of papaya. And we are going to feel good right now because you will learn how to make delicious and nutritious drink, smoothie and milkshake from papaya. The first smoothie I will be doing will have only 4 ingredients: papaya, number 1, coconut milk, number 2, pineapple juice, number 3, and almond or cow milk, number 4. I will be using almond milk because I don't drink cow milk. Okay, let's go. For this we'll need a good blender. I use Vitamix. It's fast, efficient and good quality. We'll need 2 cups of papaya, 1 cup of pineapple juice, coconut milk, a cup of almond milk. First of all, we place in the blender 2 cups of papaya. We will add 1 cup of pineapple juice. Of course, if you have certain illness and can't use pineapple juice, all you have to do is substitute, just to use 2 cups of almond or cow milk. We will add 1 cup of almond milk, 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. You don't want to use too much of coconut milk. You don't want to feel in your smoothie too much of coconut milk. You just want a little bit feel that there is some coconut milk. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Just 4 ingredients: papaya, coconut milk, pineapple, and almond milk. I don't use any sweeteners because there is no need. Pineapple juice is sweet enough to make your smoothie sweet and delicious, just right sweetness. And of course papaya, ripe papaya fruit, also juicy and sweet. You blend it for 30-40 seconds until nice smooth, and we are back with our smoothie, number 1 smoothie that has only 4 ingredients. Let's repeat, only 4 ingredients: papaya, pineapple juice, almond milk and coconut milk. That's it. Natural, fast, simple and so heavenly. I especially took this jar that you can see what the amount. Okay, you see we got 1 liter. Look at this delicious creamy color smoothie. And I have enough to put here first my first smoothie to taste. Of course, I'm left-handed. I will taste with left hand. By the way, I have a Facebook group called Left-Handers Group. You're welcome to join. And look at this delicious smoothie, papaya smoothie. It smells good. And it tastes good. Life is good. All right, and now we are going to make second smoothie. The same ingredients, and we'll just add 1 more ingredient to what we have. We will add fresh strawberries, 7 or 8 fresh strawberries, and we'll compare the color and the taste. Half of this papaya, 1/2, it would have 2 cups. It will be 2 cups. Okay, let's do that. Okay, we put our papaya over here. Then I'll put 1 cup of pineapple juice. Then we'll put 1 cup of almond milk. Then we'll put 4 tablespoons, the same amount, 4 tablespoons of coconut milk. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we will add all these strawberries. Of course, I have good blender. It's going to blend very well. If you don't have very strong blender, you can slice a strawberry and just 2 or 3 pieces, 3 slices. All right, and now we're going to see what happens. All right, and we have our smoothie number 2, papaya strawberry smoothie. You know the comedy Dumb Dumber? So I would say, tasty, tastier. This is going to be tastier than this, but I don't know, I like this a lot. Okay, and you will see how much we have. It's still very nice and smooth. You see the color is different. And because strawberry, we add some nice strawberry, of course we're going to have more smoothie. We have 1 liter from this. You can see, compare the color. And I'm going to taste that right now. I wish you to be here. It's just paradise. And we are coming to our final and special part. We're going to make right now our papaya milkshake. Hold to your seats. All right, and now we are going to make a milkshake from papaya. We're going to use only 5 ingredients. Ingredients are 2 cups of papaya, 4 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1 cup of almond milk. You can use your cow milk if you want to. 1 cup of pineapple juice. And the fun part, 2 scoops of strawberry ice cream. Let's go. First we add 2 cups of papaya. Then we'll add 1 cup of pineapple juice, 1 cup of almond milk, 4 tablespoons of coconut milk, when you do milkshake, you can do without coconut milk if you don't want to. Just with strawberry milkshake, strawberry ice cream would be enough. All right. Oh, look at this ice cream. It looks so delicious. All right, and we add 2 scoops of strawberry ice cream. You're probably already drooling, aren't you? 1 and 2. Okay, let's mix. All right, and we have our papaya milkshake. Tell me, where can you get papaya milkshake? Are there any places near you? I don't know any. Okay. Now we'll see what color we have. See, we have, this is with real strawberry, there's papaya, no strawberry, just 4 ingredients, and this is our milkshake. Look how creamy it is. And it has also the very interesting, it's not quite the same color, right? This is more yellow and this is more like a little bit of something. You understand that there's some berries involved. This is the milkshake. It looks very, very smooth. Okay, now I'm gonna have taste our milkshake. Keep that coconut milk in place. Without that, will be different. And just perfect. This is the best. Oh, wow. I just can't stop drinking. So, let's review. We did 2 smoothies and 1 milkshake. I love this smoothie. It has only 4 ingredients: papaya, coconut milk, almond milk, and pineapple juice. It's delicious, I like that. Sweetness you get from pineapple juice. Second milkshake with real strawberries. It had 5 ingredients, all the same ingredients, plus fresh 7 or 8 strawberries, or you can just add 4 or 5 if you want to. So we have here 5 ingredients: papaya, coconut milk, almond milk, pineapple juice, and 5 ingredients of fresh 7 or 8 fresh strawberries. And the last, our papaya milkshake. Oh, this is the best. You must try it. It has also 5 ingredients. Only instead of fresh strawberries, I add strawberry ice cream. So we have here 5 ingredients: fresh papaya, pineapple juice, coconut milk, almond milk, and strawberry ice cream. And honestly, this is the best. So let me know in the comments below which one you like the most, papaya milkshake or one of the smoothies. Of course, if you like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell. If you're interested to know more about healthy living, rare recipes, rare plants and herbs, you're welcome to join my Facebook group that's called Healthy Living Fruits, Veggies, Herbs. You can find there information that you can't find anywhere else. I go in great details and I know certain things that other bloggers just don't know. See you in my next video. Bye! Live long, stay strong, be healthy. Until next time.